In primetime news this evening, caught red-handed. Gas thieves caught in central Kingston operation.
More concerns about domestic-related murders after a man fatally stabs his uncle.
And police appeal for help in Westmoreland fatal hit-and-run crash. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
So we've talked about going cashless, and now there's another dimension, going cardless. That's right. You can use some ATMs without the physical bank card, and I'll tell you how in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the Sunshine Girls are in New Zealand, but the squad is depleted. They're trying to get some reinforcements in. We'll tell you more about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on the National Security Minister's shoot-to-kill assertion?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.